Hi everyone, welcome back. So I'm going to show you guys how we got this heat transfer vinyl onto this pink hoodie. Now you can either use 100% cotton or you can use a 50% polyester and 50% cotton. Both will work. Okay, so let's get off into this video and open this up in Silhouette Studios. So now that I have you guys in Silhouette Studios, this is what the image looks like. Okay. Now I'm going to show you, I purchased this image off of Etsy. Once you purchase something, a file, a PNG file or anything off of Etsy, you're going to go to download and it's going to come up in your downloads on your computer. And then you'll just have to search for it. So right here, I know it's at the top. I passed it. So once I find it, I'm going to open it. And here it is once I open it, what it's going to look like. Okay. So that's what it looks like once I open it. Now all I'm going to do is click on the image and I'm going to drag it over into Silhouette Studios. Okay, there we go. So that's what it looks like. And now we just got to figure out how wide and how long do you want your image. So length, what is it, like width and height? Okay, so for my height I did 11.5 and for my width I did 11.5. Now you can go up to the top of the screen right there where it has width and height and you can manually type in how big you would like your image to be, depending on if it's a small, medium, large, or extra large shirt. I put mine on an extra large hoodie, okay, which again the size was 11.5 by 11.5. So now once we figure that out, you always got to remember to mirror your image. Okay, mirror, flipped, they say it a few ways, so just remember to always flip your image, because when it comes out you're gonna have to peel the vinyl and it's gonna be, you know, the right side when you print it out after you weed it. So now that we're going to have to send it over into the cut settings, I'm waiting for my Cameo 4 to turn on, and it ain't turn on because, you guys, I forgot to turn on my machine. But once I turned on my machine, it's gonna click right in. I could take you guys to the next step. Okay, so here are the cut settings. For the material, I have the heat transfer smooth, and then for my blade depth I have it at 2, and for my passes I have it at 2, and for my force I have it at 8, and for my speed I have it at 7. Okay, so just so you guys know, and I only do that to be safe as far as the blade depth. I mean, depending on if your blade is dull or not. Okay, so now that we have all of the settings set, we're going to go ahead and we're going to send as is, because you already mirrored it. That is just like a warning sign to make sure that your image is flipped or whatever it is you need to do to your image before it goes to get cut out. Now over here is the Cameo 4, and I'm getting ready to put the vinyl on the Silhouette cutting sheet, the cutting mat, I'm sorry. And make sure when you place your vinyl on the cutting mat, the shiny side is going to go on the vinyl face down to the sticky part, and the matte side is going to go up towards you. See how I flipped the shiny side down? It's going to go on there just like that. Okay, so keep that in mind also, you guys. And then once I get it stuck on there, we're just going to go ahead and slide it into the Cameo machine. And this is what it looks like after it comes out, after I weeded it. This is what the image looks like. It came out really cute and it was easy to weed. And I ended up taking it over to the heat press, and I pressed it for 307 degrees for 17 seconds. And once I did that, you guys, I let the image cool down and then I peeled. Hope you guys like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.